Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is the Kids Create channel. I'm showing you how to make 3 ingredient recipes today. So if you forgot a snack at the grocery store, I'll have you covered. Wait, 1 minute. I gotta grab my chef equipment. Now I'm ready. So let's get back to my intro. So before we get started, you need to make sure you have adult supervision for these snacks. The first thing we have up on our mouth-watering dessert road is the sweetest of them all, peanut butter cups. They're great for relaxing on the couch or throwing a giant party. So the first thing that you'll want to do is get a bowl and put 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar in it with a half cup of creamy peanut butter. Let's take this out. Now make sure to stir this up so it makes a delicious, delicious peanut butter and powdered sugar mix. Now that I've mixed my peanut butter and powdered sugar, it should look like it's just peanut butter and no powdered sugar. It's slick and smooth. What you will want to do now is get a cup of chocolate. You can use chocolate chips or any kind of chocolate you have at home. I'm gonna let an adult put this in the microwave and microwave it for 30-second intervals and then start stirring. Ooh, chocolatey goodness. Now that we've melted our chocolate and made sure that it's melted all the way, we're gonna bring in our cupcake liners, our cupcake liners, and we're only gonna line 6 of them. Now you're gonna put, I said 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna do about a spoonful and drop it into the bottom. You wanna make sure that it's covering the whole bottom and not just a small amount. Otherwise, it will only be half of a peanut butter cup. Now that you have got that in, you're gonna take your peanut butter. Let me use a different spoon here. And you are gonna take it and get a dollop in the middle of your chocolate. After, if you do, let's say you do 2 dollops, then you want 2 things of chocolate on top. So, I'm just gonna do 1. And now that I've gotten that in there, just gonna mix it around. I actually do think I'll need 2 dollops. Peanut butter always tastes good. Here we go. And now, we're gonna put our chocolate on top. And now after I fill all 6 of these, I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for 1 hour, and then you can enjoy this delicious chocolatey treat. It's been 1 hour and these peanut butter cups have came out of the refrigerator looking better than ever. And the best thing about it is they're super easy to peel off. Let's peel them off. So this is actually super cool. It looks just like a peanut butter cup that you would get in stores, but gigantic. The real way to test if this is worthy is to eat it.
Tastes like a real peanut butter cup.
Look. Next up, we're gonna make the world's best corn. Kettle corn! A signature snack for those great movie nights or watching the big game. But first of all, you need to have your stove ready. We're gonna be using a pan. And I'm not gonna put this on the stove. I'm actually gonna put my ingredients on in before. So, once you've put your ingredients in, by the way, the ingredients are a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now, right in here, I have a tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna pour this in. And if you do want more or less kettle corn, you can take these different. And then Now we're gonna go put this, and now we're gonna put a 4th cup of unpopped popcorn kernels in here. Now you're gonna put this on the stove with the help from a grown-up. You are gonna stir it around, and you are gonna make sure the sugar does not burn. So, while my mom is doing this, she is going to stir the sugar and the popcorn, and she's gonna shake the pot constantly to keep the sugar from burning. Once the popping is slowed to once every 2 or 3 seconds, you can remove the pot from the heat and continue to shake for a few minutes until the popping has stopped. It's gonna start to slow down, and you know that you can take it off the heat. Ooh, the delicious scent. This may look like regular popcorn, but that shouldn't fool you. This is the world's best popcorn. Delicious! Make sure you should try this at home. Amazing! Next up on our snackerific road trip, we have gourmet potato chips that you can make right in your home. What you will need is some salt, cooking oil. We like to use this time because it's a spray oil, and a potato. So what you're gonna do first is, so you're gonna take a mandolin. This part I'm gonna have my mom do because this is very sharp. I'm not gonna touch it. And slice the potato evenly. So let's get that done. Now I've put my mandolin sliced potatoes in a bowl of cold water. We're gonna keep these in here until the bowl runs clear, and then we'll take them out. So I have just finished rinsing my potatoes. I've taken them out without getting water, and here's some that I've already dried. We're gonna put them on a plate. But what you do is you put your potatoes lined up on a long piece of paper towel. You put the top over. You just push down to get all that water out. Now I'm gonna line these up on a microwave safe plate with paper towel. And now you don't want them to be touching it, and you don't want them to be more than one layer. It is okay if you have to do more than one batch. Now that I have my beautiful potatoes lined up on my microwave safe plate and a paper towel, I am going to take my spray oil and spray it very lightly over the chips. Now that I've sprayed it lightly, I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt. These are just going to get it to taste a little better. Taste like those chips that you see in stores, except ours are a little more healthy. Ooh, I need a little cooking spray on these back ones. Yeah. Now we're gonna put these in the microwave. We're gonna put them in for one side for 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over and put them in for 2 minutes. Your microwave, all microwaves are a little different, so your times may vary. And also make sure a parent is flipping them over and that they know you're using the microwave. Let's get to it. Now my chips have came out right out of the microwave. They have like shrunk. Now let's try and make sure this is actually true.
Yeah, go.
Amazing. Now let's see if everybody thinks they're amazing. Nora.
You're not in the camera, Nora.
She loves them. Now, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video so I can keep doing more videos. And I hope you have a spectacular day. This was super fun making. And there are 3 snacks with 3 ingredients right in your home. Bye!